Hi everyone, it's Julie here. I hope you're doing really well. I know my uploading schedule is a little bit hit and miss at the moment. I'm really sorry for that. I am about to get back on track though, so thank you so much for bearing with me. I'm really grateful. Today, I don't think I've done this one with you guys before. I'm really allergic to this bubble bath, and every time I have a bath, I always forget that it drives me absolutely crazy. So I thought I'd give it a sniff for you guys today, see if you like it. And yeah, we'll just go from there. Again, I'm really sorry that my uploading schedule has been so here and there. Yeah, I'm really sorry for that. And I'm really grateful if you're still here. Really grateful. Can I just remind you all that hay fever season's coming up. I really can't wait to share that with you for the first time, and it's going to be excellent. I'm really excited. So yeah, okay, gonna give it a little sniff. Oh my gosh, it's so strong. Oh my gosh, I mean it smells lovely. Oh, sorry, tickling my nose. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, and again. Maybe. Oh, I am giving myself a shower, honestly. Should I try and do some stifled ones? No, we're not liking a stifle today. Oh, does anyone else have a reaction like this with bubble bath? Oh. Oh, it's choking me up. Oh, I poured a little bit into the cup. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I've just spilled a bit. I poured a little bit into the cup. So I'm just gonna. Oh. Oh, it's tickling. Oh. I don't know, these ones are tickling usually. Oh god. Oh god. Sorry guys, I'm not too sure what happened there. My camera just cut out. So I'm gonna give it another sniff because in the time that I was trying to figure out what happened, I kind of lost it a little bit. Oh, it smells so good, but oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, I don't know if you can hear, but it's making me hitch and hitch and hitch like crazy. Oh. Oh my gosh. I think my nose has had it, honestly. I might just leave it there today, but thank you so much for sticking with me. I'm really so grateful. You'll never know how grateful I am. So thank you so much. And I'll speak to you soon. Okay, thank you. Bye.